step is called vitrification. It fuses the mineral particles together. They tap each pipe with a hammer to test it if it's solid. And perform a thorough visual inspection. To join lengths of pipe together, they pour polyester resin into the female joint molds that have been placed in the bell-shaped pipes. The resin hardens, forming an O-ring, and the primer brushed on earlier helps the new resin joint adhere to the clay pipe. Next, they make a meld joint by pouring resin around the spigot end. This will make for a joint with a tight seal. They test the joints by pumping water into the pipe. Then they raise it as they place a load on
Sonny,
the
I think
joint.
you're making
How
Lucy
much
really,
pressure
really
will this
mad.
joint take without failure?
Hey,
Over
hey,
a ton, which more than meets industry requirements.
tap out, Lucy. There you go.
Now they do another type of test on a basic clay pipe. A hydraulic jack applies pressure on the pipe. The number on the gauge far exceeds the burden of being buried underground.
Oh, Sonny.
And so these pipes are now ready for civic duty down in the sewers.
To do the best for your pet, you should know more about the food you choose. With Beyond, you have
Ow.
a natural
Don't stick your butt in Lucy's face. That's not a way to endear yourself to her.
No. No, 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 no. No, no. No, no, no.
Our pets deserve it. Beyond.
Aww.
This is the Dyson
Now she's being submissive, Lucy. See? She's being submissive.
digital motor,
Yeah.
generating powerful suction, deep clean carpets,
Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute, right, Dad?